What's up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can add Aptos network to Metamask. Well, the process for that is pretty simple. For that, you need to open up your Metamask wallet. So I'm just going to quickly open up my Metamask wallet, and this is how it will look. Here, I'm going to quickly log in with my password. After logging in with my password, this is what you will be able to see. Here, you just have to click on this network section. Now, in the network section, just click on Add Network. If you click on Add Network, a new page will pop up. Now, here you simply have to search for Aptos. Now, if you can't find Aptos, you can always add the manual thing. So for that, you just have to search for add network manually, and then these are the details. You will easily be able to find the details by going to Google, search for Aptos network, RPC, and other details. So if I search for that, you will be able to find these details popped up. Just go to the first thing and you'll be able to find all the links like a block explorer, RPC URL. You can use these to put it right here and then add a customer network to MetaMask. That's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.